What did you get in the mail today, Kaleo?
Yeah.
No, what did you get? What did you get for Easter? No, what's this?
Bunny.
Bunny. Show the bunny. It's too dark. There you go. Say hi, bunny. Say thank you, Papa. Kaleo, say thank you, Papa. And Nana.
Kicking.
Yeah. Say thank you. Hey, come on. Say thank you. Oh, that's nice. Can you say thank you, Kaleo?
Thank you.
Thank you, Papa. You say it? Thank you, Papa. Kaleo. Say thank you, Papa. Because that's his way of saying thank you, Nana. Do you like the bunny?
Like a bunny.
You give Bunny a big kiss? Oh, and a hug. Oh, that's nice. Do you know who gave you that?
Bunny.
Bunny. I think's a winner. All right. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Say thank you. Say I love the bunny. Happy Easter. You say Happy Easter?
Happy birthday.
That'll do.